Okay, so we are going to subscribe to channels using channel groups instead of multiplexing this time. And we're going to compare and contrast how the two features work and show you how channel groups are more powerful and more flexible and what you can do with them. So again, the same setup. We're going to have a publisher on the left and a subscriber on the right. So I'm just going to go ahead and initialize those instances. User underscore 111 with the demo keys, and on the right we have demo keys with user 222. Now, when the subscriber, instead of the subscriber subscribing directly to channels, this subscriber is going to subscribe to a channel group instead, and that channel group is going to have channels in it already. The channel group will contain a list of channels. And by subscribing to the channel groups, you are then subscribed to all the channels that are in it. So we're going to have the publisher actually add a couple channels first. So we just channel group, add channel, a callback just to verify that yes, they were added, and channel group CG1, the name of the channel group, and the list of channels that you want to add. It could be one or more channels here. So CH1 and CH2, and we get the feedback that yes, it worked. Now on the subscriber side, we're just going to subscribe to that channel group, CG1, which will then mean that we are subscribed to the channels in that channel group, or CH1 and CH2. So it's just a simple subscribe call, but instead of saying channel, we say channel group, provide the name of that channel group, CG1. And then our message callback actually has a few additional parameters this time. So the parameter names I've given them are M, E, or I'm sorry, M, comma E, comma CG, comma L, comma CH. And so that's just message, envelope, channel group, latency, and then the name of the channel. So we'll use just the M parameter, the CG parameter, and the CH parameter to print out which channel group and which channel the message is coming in on. And you might ask yourself, why do I need a channel group parameter? Well, because channel groups work just like channels. You can actually subscribe to more than one channel group, and each channel group can have a different list of channels. So we want to know what exactly which channel group and channel this message came in on. All right, so we're subscribed to CG1. Let's publish a message to one of the channels in that group. So we're going to publish a message to CH1, and sure enough, we received it on the subscriber side. CH1, channel group CG1, and yep, sure enough, it was channel CH1. So let's do this for CH2 now, for channel 2, and again, it works. And now from the subscriber side, let's add another channel to that channel group. Let's add CH3. So again, we just call channel group add channel, a callback function to verify that it worked, and channel group name is CG1 again, and a new channel, CH3. Again, it worked. Let's go ahead and publish the message to that channel, CH3, and there we go. So every once in a while in your code, you may have to do some maintenance on the channel group. What channels are in this channel group? You want to list those out. You might return to lobby, and you want to show which, or maybe not return it, you want to show which channels or which chat rooms this current user is involved in. So this, we just list channels, channel group, list channels, the name of the channel group, and a callback to receive that information back on. And you can see it's channels, an array of channel names, CH1, CH2, CH3, and CH4 is in here from actually a previous session where I added CH4. And the group is CG1, of course. Now, just as you can add channels to a channel group, you can remove channels. But let's go and remove the channel from the publisher side, or what might be your server. So if you think about the power of channel groups, is that your clients don't actually have to subscribe or unsubscribe from channels. You can have your server maintain the list of channels that they are subscribed to just by manipulating the channel groups. And those channel groups can be shared amongst many users, or the channel group can be private to a single user. So you can take that and use it in different use cases for your applications. So let's go ahead and remove a channel. There it is right there. Okay, so channel group, remove channel, just the other side of adding a channel. List the name of the channel group and the channel you want to remove. We're going to remove CH1 from CG1. And sure enough, yes, that worked. It got removed. Let's list those channels again from the subscriber side. You can see that it, only CH2, CH3, and CH4 are left in that list. And we could publish on that channel and show that, yep, there are no messages coming through, but I think we get the point. So again, instead of directly subscribing to channels, you can use channel groups to maintain the list of channels that any user is subscribed to in a much more flexible manner and easy to maintain manner.